Welcome to a deep dive into the automated teller machine, or ATM. This self-service terminal is your 24/7 gateway to the bank's core system. At its heart, the ATM is a robust computer terminal with specialized cash handling mechanics. The process begins simply, with the insertion of your debit or credit card. The card reader accurately scans data from both the chip and the magnetic stripe. Next, for security, you must enter your personal identification number, or PIN. The ATM's main processor acts as the brain, managing all subsequent functions. The machine securely packages your card data, PIN, and transaction request.
This request is instantly transmitted through a secure network to your bank's central computer.
The entire system relies on this secure, centralized database and network.
At the bank's end, the system checks the PIN against your account records.
Upon verification and sufficient funds, the bank sends an approval code back to the ATM.
With approval, the most complex mechanical operation begins inside the secure vault. The cash dispenser is a masterpiece of precision engineering, designed for accuracy. Bills are stored securely inside specialized, lockable cassettes. High-precision rollers pull each bill individually from the cassette stack.
This mechanism ensures that only one bill is fed at a time, preventing double dispensing.
Optical sensors count and verify the denomination and condition of every single bill. The system performs multiple checks to guarantee the exact amount is counted.
Finally, the counted cash is neatly presented to the customer through the dispensing slot.
Simultaneously, the internal receipt printer is activated to document the transaction details.
The machine then returns your card, completing the physical part of the transaction.
The approval triggers the mechanical sequence, turning data into tangible cash. The processor coordinates the timing of the roller motors and sensor readings.
All these complex operations are managed by a highly reliable, dedicated computer system.
The card reader utilizes a precise head to convert magnetic data into a digital format.
PIN entry is secured by hardware encryption right at the keypad interface.
To ensure continuous 24/7 service, the internal components require constant, effective cooling. Security and speed are paramount for the continuous network connection to the banking backbone. The cash reserves are protected by the formidable, heavy-duty steel structure of the vault. Only authorized personnel can access and replace the secure, key-locked bill cassettes. The roller's friction and grip must be perfectly calibrated to avoid paper jams. Optical sensors ensure absolute accuracy, counting bills as fast as 100 per minute. The final stage involves the transportation of the verified stack to the external withdrawal slot.
The receipt paper spool contains enough paper for thousands of detailed transaction records.
Chip readers offer a higher level of security through dynamic transaction data encryption. Internal sensors constantly monitor for potential obstructions or foreign objects in the cash path. A crucial component is the UPS, guaranteeing transaction completion even during a power loss. The processor simultaneously commands the cash dispense and sends the debit request to the bank. A complex yet clean wiring architecture connects all key electronic and mechanical components. The high-resolution screen provides a clear interface for selecting various self-service options. For a balance check, only a rapid data query is performed. No mechanical action is needed. The entire withdrawal process is completed in a matter of mere seconds. Any bills flagged as potentially counterfeit or damaged are safely routed to a separate reject bin. The frame is built with robust materials to withstand attempted physical breaches. Efficient thermal management prevents overheating in the continuously running processor and motors. The central system instantly updates the account, reflecting the precise amount withdrawn. Tiny but powerful motors drive the complex system of rollers with microsecond precision. The reader mechanism is designed to handle slight misalignments from the user's card insertion. The keypad utilizes durable, responsive switches for secure and reliable PIN entry. Access to the cache is protected by multi-layered electronic and physical locking systems.
All communication is protected by high-grade encryption, scrambling data for secure transmission. Advanced anti-skimming technology actively detects and prevents fraudulent card reading attachments.
A discrete internal camera logs video of the individual performing the transaction for security purposes.
The receipt serves as the final, printed proof of the completed transaction.
In some advanced models, air jets or suction cups assist the rollers in separating sticky bills.
Like any computer, the ATM requires memory and storage to run its operating system and logs.
The motors generate a brief, controlled vibration as they move the high-speed roller assembly. If a card reading error occurs, the machine is programmed to safely eject the card and cancel the request.
The backlit keys ensure accurate PIN entry regardless of the surrounding environment.
A single approval acts as the green light for both mechanical cash handling and digital account update.
Precise stacking arms ensure the bills are perfectly aligned for smooth delivery to the user.
The vault typically contains multiple cassettes, each dedicated to a specific denomination of currency.
The keypad is shielded to protect against electronic interception of the entered PIN.
Chip communication involves a brief electrical contact to facilitate secure data exchange.
The processor acts as the coordinator, managing simultaneous data traffic and mechanical control. Any forceful attempt to access the vault triggers a sophisticated, immediate internal alarm system. A small, sharp internal blade cleanly separates the printed receipt from the main paper roll. For operation in extreme climates, internal heating elements prevent mechanical components from seizing.
Every step, from card insertion to cash dispensed, is meticulously logged by the ATM system.
The speed and timing of the rollers are controlled by a finely tuned, internal gear system. The bank debits the account, while the ATM updates its own physical cash inventory.
To maintain accuracy, the internal card track is occasionally cleaned by an automated brush.
Internal insulation keeps the machine running quietly and maintains a stable operating temperature.
Many modern ATMs use robust, pressure-sensitive touchscreens for easier user interaction. The machine runs a specialized, secure operating system dedicated solely to banking transactions. The bills are held securely in a temporary stack before the final release to the user. This intricate assembly of electronics and mechanics ensures speed, security, and accuracy. The exterior facade conceals the high-tech precision that makes self-service banking possible.
The ATM, an essential computer terminal connecting you to your funds, reliably and securely, 24 hours a day.